I've built a smart home here. It has various features. The first one is a humidity and temperature system, which tells the temperature and humidity of the.
To make this baby robot, we have used different blocks. By joining them, making his arms, his face, his body, his legs, his neck, etc.